For many of us, if we hear the opening bars of Matt Monro's On Days Like These, we can't help but be transported to the Alps and visions of a Lamborghini Miura scything its way through them. Most petrolheads dream at one stage or another of owning a mid-engined Italian supercar. And if you can't afford something with a Lamborghini, Ferrari or Maserati badge on the nose, there's always a Lancia Beta Montecarlo. Okay, it might not be a supercar, but it does have a link to the all-conquering 037 rally cars. And okay, that link could be as tenuous as the link between a Porsche 959 and a Carrera 911 3.2, but it's there nonetheless. The Monte Carlo was designed and engineered by Pininfarina, and it was styled by Paolo Martin, whose resume included the Fiat 130 Coupe, the Ferrari Modulo concept car, and the Rolls-Royce Camargue. It's a very elegant-looking two-seater. The engineering was done by Pininfarina, having worked on various projects for Fiat and Abarth. It's powered by an Aurelio Lampredi 2-litre twin-cam engine, and this particular example was the subject of a 4-year-long restoration by marque specialist Day & White's Automotive of Brands Hatch. It's a fabulous-looking thing in a very rare colour.